In this video I'll show you how you can insert or remove your SIM card from your iPhone XS. So you'll need a key like this, like a SIM tray opener, and here on the side is the SIM tray. As you can see, there's a hole right here. Don't mind the back. Coming video with me changing the back is on the works. Put it back in. You just have to take the SIM tray out, and then as you can see it goes face down, and you can see a cut right here, a corner cut, and you will align the SIM card with the SIM tray just like that, and it goes flush with the SIM tray. And as you can see, if I try to put it another way, it won't go because the cut is on that side. So just like that, and then you can push it inside, and there we go. And as you can see, you'll wait for a bit and it will find your SIM card. It will find signal. So if you just put this key in the hole and press it, then the SIM tray is gonna come out. Then you can eject it just like that. And you need to be mindful of this, because if your iPhone is locked on a certain network, it will only work with that one. For example, let's say T-Mobile. If it's locked with that, you can't use another one. Let me know in the comments if it helped you.